Okay, friends, welcome to yet another video where we will discuss both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, friends, this video that I'm preparing is as of market close on 30th of August 2023. Now, we have the daily chart over here for Nifty. So, let's just check what the price action actually is suggesting to us and how we can trade this for tomorrow when we have the monthly expiry. Now, friends, if you see in my previous videos, I was suggesting that 19,400 is going to be a challenge for bulls to conquer. And for the short term, the market looks to be range bound between 19,250 on the downside and 19,400 on the upside. Now, you see over here, 19,250 has been a support which has held on a few occasions in the recent past, and over here we see that approximately 19,380 odd has been a hurdle which bulls have not been able to cross successfully. Now, let's just discuss a few points in detail. The first and foremost, now this trend line which is over here, now bulls are actually not managing a close above this trend line, though they have pushed above this trend line on two occasions, today as well as on 24th of August. So this trend line is acting as a resistance and bulls are unable to get a firm close above this trend line. Now look at this particular level of 19,380 odd. See, this was actually acting as a support on the way down, but once we broke through this level on 24th of August, this has actually been a challenge to cross. Both, uh, if you see the last three trading sessions, including today's session, we have not managed a close above this particular level of 19,380 odd. In my last video, I had suggested that the chances that bulls may cross 19,400 in this expiry are quite okay, but I was very suspect whether bulls will manage a close above 19,400, and that is what precisely played out in today's session. Today, bulls crossed 19,400 in the first half. The high for the day, if you see, is 19,450, and we have closed at 19,347, which means we have corrected more than 100 points from the highs. So 19,400, I was suspecting, will be a good resistance for bulls, and that is what actually played out today. We were unable to get a close above 19,400 today also. Now see the last two trading sessions also. In yesterday's session, the high was 19,377. Day before yesterday, the high was 19,366. So 19,380 was in any case acting as a resistance for the last two sessions. Today, we got a gap up opening because the US markets actually closed in the green overnight, but we were unable to sustain this opening above 19,400. In the second half today, actually, we got a huge sell-off for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we actually were unable to close above 19,400 yet again. So now, what is the right way to trade this for tomorrow? See, tomorrow is the monthly expiry. I would actually suggest that probably you can skip trading tomorrow altogether, because monthly expiry normally has a lot of extra dose of volatility. So trying to trade the market on either the long side or the short side is going to be very difficult. You are likely to be whipsawed on either side. So probably it is a good idea to skip trading for tomorrow. If you want to trade for tomorrow, I think you should not trade in the monthly expiry. You can trade in the options market maybe for the first week of September, or the monthly options for September. Or if you want to trade futures, I think you should trade it with a hedge, whatever be your view, whether you are long or short. I think you need to have a hedge. See, right now, I think 19,250 is acting as a good support. And until bulls are holding on to 19,250, I don't think there is a case for a short trade on this market. Now, this is for Nifty. Let's just see the Bank Nifty chart. Look at the high for Bank Nifty today, 44,779, and we closed at 44,232 and made a low of 44,149. So from the highs for the day, we corrected more than 600 points. So if you see the intraday chart, this we actually got a huge sell-off in the second half, maybe after around 2 p.m. See, I was always suspect that we will be able to hold on to the gains today, especially with the gap of opening that we had. And actually, the market is range bound. We are not getting big moves on either side. Bank Nifty also is finding resistance around 44,800 odd levels. You can see over here on the chart, 44,000. Roughly 800 was the high today. Day before yesterday also we got a high of 44,600. So see, now Bank Nifty is a 44,000 plus index. So a 200-point move is barely half a percentage move on Bank Nifty. So for the moment, I think this market is range bound. It is not going down in a meaningful way, neither is there a great upside. So both bulls and bears are battling it out, but there is no decisive winner as of now. So what would be the right way to trade Bank Nifty? See, again, I would suggest that just like Nifty, Bank Nifty also is showing sideways movement. Now, tomorrow being the monthly expiry, if you're okay to handle the volatility, I think you can try your hand at trading Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I think the prudent way would be to skip trading for tomorrow, or at least for the options for tomorrow. You can try to trade options for the coming week or the monthly September series. For the those of you who trade futures, I think Bank Nifty is likely to witness an extra dose of volatility as compared to Nifty. Between the two indices, Bank Nifty looks to be a lot more volatile. I think probably you should keep a very good risk management system if you're trading futures for Bank Nifty. You can either short the call if you're long, or simply buy a put as protection for your long positions. See, I do not think you should be shorting this market right now. I don't think that the market is displaying any significant amount of weakness. See, we have already made a low roughly around 43,500 odd on Bank Nifty, and we rallied all the way up to almost 45,000. So we have already rallied from the lows, but we are still well off the highs. So I don't really think there's a great case to short this market. See, unless and until the market really is suggesting some weakness, then we can actually consider going short. For the moment, this market looks to be range bound between 43,500 on the downside and 45,000 approximately on the upside for Bank Nifty. So friends, this is my analysis on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. I wish you good luck in your trading. Until the next video, take care and good luck. Thank you.